Hey guys, this is Rajan and you're watching Lens Force. So today I'm gonna quickly unbox the FindX9 Pro, and today I've got the special box, the pre-booking box of the FindX9 Pro. So let's just quickly see what all things that we are getting in this special box, and is it different from the normal box that you'll get when you visit the store. So yeah, let's start the unboxing now. So I'm recording the microphone on my X90 Pro. If you know this legend, I love the leather texture on this device, and let's just put it aside. And so this is what we get on the premium pre-booking box. This gold accent and Oppo branding here on the top, and you can see that this is looking very good, very pretty, very premium. And FindX9 series Oppo written here, Hasselblad written here, and let's just put it here. And so if you unbox this, you will be getting these three things: the phone itself, the FindX9 Pro skin feel magnetic case, and the Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro Plus, which is their newly launched earphones. And I really like the details, the quality. Obviously, talking about the pricing, this FindX9 Pro cost, this case itself cost around 1,000 in their website. This earbuds cost around 2,100 on their website, so it's almost 3,000 free, 3,000 rupees goodies that you'll be getting free from this with this phone. And so let's first quickly unbox this. And I just broke this by mistake, so yeah, let me just take it out here. So this is the case that you'll be getting. This has written "Make in India." Because the phones are now getting assembled in India, obviously. This is the bag that you'll be getting, and yeah, this has got a nice feel to it, a premium feel box, a certain kind of texture on the box. And let's unbox it now. Alright, so here we are getting "Make Your Movement" logo symbol kind of thing. So this is the phone itself. I'm gonna put it aside, and let's see what we get here. So we are getting this case, this silicone case. I don't think it will last that long, and still better than what we get on normal phones, the transparent ones. And so this is what we are getting here, the phone itself. The phone, let's just unbox it. And I personally ordered the titanium version, which I think feels much more premium than the white version, and I prefer this over the white color. The feel is very similar to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, especially the sides and everything. And it has got a slightly, shiny edges, and I really like this. And I've already unboxed this before, so let's just put it aside, and let me just put the case here for you. So this is how it looks like. So apart from this, you'll be getting this charger of 80 watts. Obviously, it's a very lightweight charger, not heavy. Usually we used to get heavy chargers, but now we have got lightweight. And this is the cable, and I don't know why this has still got the old USB port here, not the C-type version. I really want both to be C-type. So now let's just unbox the case here. So now this case looks very premium to me. It's much better than what we are getting inside of the default box. See, you can see the Oppo logo is shining. So I think this is a premium case and hard shell case, not the normal silicone one. But I think it will get dirtier much easier. So I don't know about the long-term usage of this, how long this will be lasting. And apart from the case, this earphone itself, can see this earphone earbuds that we are getting. It's a very small handy earbuds and an iPhone AirPods like design. And I tried it and I found it really good. It has a very good detail and like really good bright music with good amount of bass. So it's a very good earbuds. If you're getting it free, then it's very good. And I got this phone at a very good price. I got this phone at 87,000. So I got this at a very good deal. So obviously, talking about the phone, I really like the design, and I've been using this phone since almost 20 around 20 hours now, and I really like it. I really like the design, and the UI feels very good. I'm on ColorOS 16 now, and in around 20 hours it has already got 2 updates, and I have already got a camera update as well. So good in terms of update department. The ColorOS 16 feels really smooth. Obviously, I'm gonna do a long camera comparison video of this device soon, so do subscribe the channel, and let's just end this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.